Hey guys, I'm Viraj from European Automotive Experts. So today we have G63 2021 for rear brake pads replacement. So today we'll show you guys how to take rear brake assembly position. First you have to switch on the accessories position, but not the ignition accessories. Just press the button once. So just accessories, but not the ignition on, like this. So it's just like this. So then in your right hand side you can see here one black button and two home return button. So you have to press one time this on and go to the trip mode, and then hold this on like 2 seconds and same time press the black. So while you press in 2 seconds, you can see this Triptronic will be disappear. So at the same time, before it's disappeared, same time press the black button, then you'll come for the brake pad service position. So we'll see. Okay, press and now try again, press, and yes, can you see it's came to now you can see there's a workshop mode now here. So you can press there and you go to brake pads replacement and you can push this one. So condition not fulfilled is because of the my handbrake is applied. So we had to release the handbrake for this. To release the handbrake, so you have to switch on the ignition and then release the handbrake. Okay, once your ignition on, that service position workshop mode will be cancelled. So you have to again switch off and go to accessories position and same before, go to Triptronic mode and then press and hold the return button, and same time when this Triptronic displays disappear, same time press the black button. Yeah, like that. So now you can go to the brake pads replacement and move to fitting position with OK. So I'm gonna hit OK button here. You can hear the brake motor winding push biking back. Then after you replacing the brake pads and everything, then you can press again, hit the OK button, it'll wind it back. That's it. Now if you want to go back to the normal mode, so just switch off, ignition on, then it will cancel automatically. So it's just switch off the ignition and on again. You'll go to normal mode again. Yep, like this. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.